Hi guys, on this video, I'm gonna give you an update on my G-Invest portfolio. Don't forget to watch till the end because ipapakita ko din kung paano mag-add sa funds nyo and more. By the way, if you haven't watched my last video about this, pwede nyong i-check dito. Also, to learn how to invest for beginners, check this video.
Open the app and go to G-Invest, tapos G-Funds. Makikita nyo itong current portfolio value ko. The last time I made a transaction here was 2023 and 2025 na ngayon. If you want to check the details of your investment, click nyo lang to. So generally, tumaas yung value ng fund natin. If you want to buy more or sell your shares, pwede nyo gawin dito. So, balik muna tayo. For the transaction history, click here. As you can see, noong 2022, nag-invest tayo ng 2K on this fund, which is the Atram Global Technology Feeder Fund. Then, 2023, kumita tayo ng 317.32 pesos, which winidraw ko, kaya naging 2K na lang ulit yung fund. So again, makikita ito on my past video. So, kumita yung 2K ko ng 812.13 pesos and wala akong ginawa dito. I just left it and tumubo na siya. I actually forgot na meron pala akong invest dito. Now, I'd like to buy more units under this fund. Bili tayo ng worth 5,000 pesos. Click next. So, the processing time is 5 business days and approximately 14.36 ang number of units na mabibili natin sa 5K. Tick the box below and click confirm. And there you go, our order has been placed. Click OK or pwede kayo mag-schedule ng auto-invest. Let's try it out. Click schedule auto-invest.
Ang ibig sabihin nito is automatically kukuha si GCash sa wallet balance ko and i-invest niya sa fund na yon based on the schedule and amount na isiset ko.
For example, ayan, click natin. Pipili tayo ng fund to auto-invest in. Since iisa lang naman pinag-investan natin, let's click this one. Let's auto-invest 1,000 pesos. Now, pwede piliin if weekly or monthly. So, for example, per month ang isa-select natin. Let's set it to the 3rd. Since Feb 1 ngayon, by next month, may madideduct na sa GCash wallet ko na 1,000 pesos and mapupunta sa G-Invest, specifically on this fund. Take note nyo lang din, pag ang schedule na pinili nyo is the last day of the month, for example, 31st of every month, the investment will be set for February 28 or the 30th of the month. Click next, double check everything, tick the box below to agree to the terms and conditions, then set schedule. Ayan.
Ang advantage nito is that hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry kung mababa or mataas ba yung market every time na bibili ka. Kasi every month or week ka bumibili. And in the long run, mas mababa yung average ng investment mo. Kasi may times na mura, may times na mahal, pero steady lang yung investment mo. This investment strategy is called peso cost averaging. Maganda ito for long-term investing.
To view your scheduled investments, click nyo lang to. Pwede naman i-edit or cancel anytime. If you click invest, makikita yung risk appetite nyo dito and the funds that you can invest in. Currently, sa isa lang tayo naka-invest, pero there are more na pwedeng pagpilian. You can see the fund details and their past performances as well. So, Dito tayo naka-invest in, kaya makikita na ito lang ang may value. So far, yung fund naman na ito ang second to the top that gained the most from the past year. Ang top fund na nag-gain from the past year is this one. Check natin ano ba itong fund. Atrium Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. Saan ba ito naka-invest? Amazon, Tesla, equities based on consumer needs. Oh, so mukhang maganda din siya. Invested in foreign companies. Okay. Maganda yung companies under that fund. Di tayo masyado nag-analyze dito, pero let's try to buy. Read the notice about the high-risk investment, then click I agree. So every time na bibili kayo ng fund, makikita nyo kung aggressive, moderately conservative, or conservative siya. If aggressive ang piliin nyo, it is riskier. So meaning, mas malaki ang possible gains nyo. But, mas malaki din ang possible losses nyo. Kapag conservative naman, most likely, mas maliit ang gains nyo, pero mas maliit din naman ang losses. Okay, order will be completed after 5 business days. Click I agree. Click next. Verify with OTP. Invest tayo ng 2K lang.
So it doesn't mean na porket mataas yung value niya ngayon, tataas din siya after natin mag-invest. Yes, there's a possibility na mas tataas siya, pero posible ding bababa because the market fluctuates. Kaya again, only invest what you can afford to lose.
With the 2K, around 11.70 units ang mabibili natin. Click next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Now we've placed our buy order. Ayan. Now, if pupunta tayo sa transactions on our wallet, you'll see here na may investment subscription tayo na 2K and 5K. So, we're back after a few days. You'll see pumasok na ang investments natin. The value for our Atrium Global Technology Feeder Fund is now 7.8K. Dahil sa 2.8K na laman ng account natin plus yung 5K na top up, while 1999.99 yung sa Atrium Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund, yung invest na natin ng 2K. Take note na laging nagbabago yung prices niyan. If you go to transactions history, you'll see the 5K at 2K as well. Pag click nyo, makikita yung timeline. So, it didn't take up to 5 days naman para makomplete yung order. We made the order at Feb 1 and by Feb 3, na-complete na siya. Actually, chinek ko ngayon 1 week after na. Kaya may pagbabago na din sa prices.
That's it, guys. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thanks again for watching and invest wisely. Bye!